Iran has now broadened its definition of espionage. This means that if you are in Iran, even a social media post, a like, comment, or follow could fall under the scanner. So, today we are bringing you an important update from Iran where laws around national security and social media are drawing attention around the world. In response to recent tension and attack linked to Israel and the United States, the Iranian government has expanded its definition of espionage to now include certain social media activities. This development comes just days after a reported Israeli airstrike on June 13, which exposed the alleged presence of Mossad-linked operatives inside Iran. Tehran believes some internal support enabled the attack and is now intensifying efforts to prevent further infiltration. On June 25, Iran executed 3 Kurdish men accused of collaborating with Israel's intelligence agency, Mossad. The execution followed the passage of a new law under which collaboration with so-called hostile states is now considered corruption on earth. Under this law, acts like cyber warfare, weapons trafficking, and even sharing sensitive content with foreign media are considered criminal. But what's raising eyebrows internationally is clause that includes social media activity. According to Iran's Justice Ministry, following or engaging with accounts affiliated with hostile regimes, including Israel, could now be treated as a punishable offense. This includes something as basic as like or comment on certain platforms. Authorities have reportedly begun nationwide inspection, and messages were sent warning citizens of potential legal consequences. Officials argue that foreign intelligence agencies are exploiting online platforms and that this expansion is part of defending Iran's national interest. However, critics and human rights groups are urging caution. They warn that such broad definition of espionage might blur the line between actual threats and ordinary online behavior, posing a risk to civil liberties. Amid all this, Iran has also restricted internet access during the recent conflict, saying it was necessary to prevent cyber threats. Access was mainly limited to state-approved foreign correspondents, while domestic apps remained functional. Several arrests have been reported across various provinces, including civil society figures and journalists. Authorities claim many of them were in contact with foreign-based groups or were circulating content viewed as sensitive. Legal experts have pointed out that while national security is a valid concern, the clarity of legal definition is crucial to avoid misuse or wrongful prosecution. As Iran continues to navigate external threat and internal challenges, the global community is closely watching how these new measures will impact freedom of expression, digital activity, and the rights of ordinary citizens. So do let us know your views in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.